The E218 error code on a Bosch double oven indicates a problem with the lower or cavity 2 cooling fans, typically occurring when the fan speed is too low or too high. Common causes of this error include a defective lower cooling fan or sensor, wiring issues, or a faulty electronic control board. To fix the error, try resetting the oven by powering it off, unplugging it, and leaving it off for about 5 minutes before powering it back on to see if the issue resolves itself. If not, inspect the wire harness of the lower cooling fan, tightening any loose connections and replacing damaged ones. Also, check for obstructions in the lower area of the cooling fan and remove them. If the issue persists, the lower cooling fan or sensor may need to be replaced, which may require the assistance of a technician to test their functionality. If none of these solutions work, the electronic control board may be faulty and need to be replaced. Also, with the help of a technician,